It's a big family reunion after 20 long years when the Thackeray cousins have finally ensured that they fight the upcoming local body elections in Mumbai together. These are the crucial BMC elections, essentially the political, financial lifeline of the Thackeray family, so to say. The announcement was made today in Mumbai, which started with homage to Balasaheb Thackeray. Uddhav Thackeray said that the alliance between MNS and UBT Sena has been sealed for Mumbai and Nashik. Now, the Shiv Sena UBT chief sealed the alliance with the Batenge to Katenge slogan, which was by Yogi Adityanath, warning that any split and lack of unity would be catastrophic and deeply ironical for a BJP chief minister to be quoted by Uddhav Thackeray. MNS chief Raj Thackeray asserted that Mumbai will get a Marathi mayor, assuring that the person will be from this particular alliance. As per sources, the MVA has worked out, the Mahavikas Aghadi has worked out some sort of a seat-sharing pact for Mumbai civic body polls, and UBT Sena will contest on 145 to about 150 seats. There are about 227 seats in the BMC. MNS will contest on the remaining seats, which is about 65 to 70, and about a dozen odd seats could be given to accommodate NCP SP, which is the Sharad Pawar faction of the NCP. Even as Maharashtra Chief Minister has reacted to this, alleging that Thackeray's are just trying to ensure that they remain politically relevant in Maharashtra and they survive. This is a battle for their survival and nothing more. How is the family drama unfolded through the day? And more importantly, how is it likely to impact the January 15 BMC polls? This report tells you more.
विधानसभेच्या वेळेला भारतीय जनता पक्षाने जो एक अपप्रचार केला होता, बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, तसंच मी मराठी माणसाला सांगतोय की आता जर का चुकाल तर संपाल, आता जर का फुटाल तर पूर्णपणे संपून जाल. म्हणून परत एकदा तुटू नका, फुटू नका आणि मराठीचा वसा टाकू नका.
कुठल्याही वादापेक्षा आणि भांडणापेक्षा महाराष्ट्र मोठा आहे आणि मला असं वाटतं तिथून त्या आज आम्ही एकत्र येण्याची सुरुवात त्या वाक्यापासून झाली. कोण किती जागा लढवणार, आकडा काय हा नाही सांगणार तुम्हाला. आज फक्त आपल्या समोर एकच गोष्ट मी आपल्याला सांगू इच्छितो की बरेच दिवस ज्याची प्रतीक्षा महाराष्ट्र करत होता ती शिवसेना आणि महाराष्ट्र नवनिर्माण सेनेची युती झाली हे आज आम्ही आपल्याला जाहीर करत आहोत.
The big Thackeray reunion ahead of the biggest municipal corporation election in India, the BMC election. The two parties will fight together in Mumbai, Nashik and several other elections. The pitch and plank, Marathi Manus. Shiv Sena UBT MP Priyanka Chaturvedi says North Indians need not feel threatened.
I will appeal to all the people of Uttar Pradesh and north of India. It is time to stand with the Bhumi Putras who made that space for us, who welcomed us with open arms and who said let's develop but develop together. So it's time to stand united, not to be divided by the agenda of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
For last so many days we were waiting for this particular movement. I think it's a very important movement for Marathi Manus and it's after the 1960, the first biggest event for Marathi Manus.
The BJP dismissed the alliance as opportunist and said Uddhav Thackeray was frustrated.
दो पार्टियां जो अपना अस्तित्व खोज रही है, जिन्होंने अपना अस्तित्व गंवा दिया है, जिन्होंने बार-बार भूमिकाएं बदलकर लोगों के बीच अपने बारे में अविश्वास पैदा किया है, जिन्होंने तुष्टीकरण की नीति को अपनाकर एक प्रकार से अपना वोट बैंक खो दिया है, ऐसी दो पार्टियां साथ में आई है तो उनके साथ में आने से कौन सा फर्क पड़ने वाला है. ये तो दोनों अपना अस्तित्व बचाने के लिए साथ में आए हैं.
In an alliance where seat sharing has still not been finalized, the devil lies in the details, especially when there are just 6 days remaining for the final nomination form to be filled. Both the Senas, led by Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray respectively, are fighting a battle not just of legacy but also of relevance. On the other hand, you have the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is extremely eager to establish its writ over the city of Mumbai. Politics aside, what the next 20 days guarantee for sure is a spree of headlines, rhetorics, emotions, and perhaps a bit of hyperbole. With Praveen and Prahlad on camera and inputs from Abhishek and Saurabh, this is Anuj reporting for NDTV from Mumbai.
Kishore Tiwari of the Shiv Sena UBT faction with us, Shaina NC representing the Shiv Sena Shinde faction, and Sachin Kumar, political analyst. Let me start with you, Tiwari ji. As things stand right now, the family reunion after 20 years, many say is now actually because of compulsions and the need to remain relevant and to survive more than anything else.
You are absolutely right. In politics, you have to be relevant. You have to be show the existence. And BMC belongs to Shiv Sena and the Thackeray family. And the Mumbai is safe in the hands of Thackeray's. And uniting the Thackeray, China, if Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray comes together, all segment of Marathis will come together. And they will show Mumbai belongs to whom. Not to Adani, not to Ambani, not to Gaddar, not to such people, Akrantas. So I am speaking, the BJP taken full cognizance of it. And we are with Congress also. I am ready to tell that Shiv Sena is parting the seats with Congress also. And same will the MNC will do, and all united parties are ready for the survival.
You did not take Congress. You did not take Congress, right? Congress is nowhere in the alliance.
Who told you? You are Gauri, you are deciding your own. You are.
No, I'm not deciding. I'm asking, and as there are only 227 seats, sir. आपने आपस में बांट ली कांग्रेस के लिए कुछ बचा नहीं.
अरे बेटा ये हमारे राज ठाकरे साहब ने क्या कहा पहले दिन ही, आज ही कहा, टिकट से कौन लड़ेगा. देखो हम भी नहीं, बीजेपी भी घबरा गई है. वो बोले हम लिस्ट विस्ट नहीं देंगे, हम बी फॉर्म ही देंगे. मैं अभी बता रहा हूं, राज ठाकरे उद्धव ठाकरे के करीब आने से इक्वेशन पूरे बदल गए हैं. मेरे ख्याल से एकनाथ शिंदे तो चाहे लड़ेंगे या नहीं लड़ेंगे मुझे भी मालूम नहीं, क्योंकि खुद चाइना का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत खराब रहा था. तो मैं
चाइना को रिस्पॉन्ड करने देते हैं. लेट्स गेट चाइना टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू दैट.
गौरी,
चाइना एनसी रिस्पॉन्ड टू दैट. किशोर जी आपको पूरा मौका मिलेगा एक क्विक रिस्पांस चाइना से.
मेरी लाड़की बहना, ओ लाड़की
वर्ल्ड ओनली. He says that the BMC belongs to the Thackeray's. Is this their fiefdom? Mumbai belongs to the Thackeray's. Is this their private property? Please, Gauri, get real and please understand. The results show clearly public's preference for development over politics, and the grand victory that the Mahayuti has got in the Sthanik Swaraj, the fact that we have crossed the 200 mark in 286 local bodies, and if you look at the cumulative tally of the Mahavinash Agadi, whether it's even relevant, whether it's alive or dead, is a question they can answer. But even if you see cumulatively, it is our leader Eknath Shinde and the Mahayuti that has
China, how does the electoral numbers match up? That's the larger point. If the two Thackeray brothers come together, there's a consolidation of the Marathi vote. That's what the premise of this entire family reunion is.
Can I please
How much will that dent? Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, respond.
Does 0 plus 0 make 0? No, it doesn't. If you have left and devoid of your own ideology of Hindu Hriday Samrat Adanya Balasaheb Thackeray, and you chose to ally with people only for lust of power, what does that say for you? People have decided which is the real Shiv Sena. Our ideology of Hindu Hriday Samrat Adanya Balasaheb Thackeray along with development is the formula for a magnificent victory that we have seen in the Vidhan Sabha, and we will
Kishore Tiwari has to respond. China NC, let's give him a chance. You said 0 plus 0 is 0, so let's give him a chance to respond. You said 0 plus 0 is 0, he has to respond. Yes.
Yeah. माझी लाडकी बहीण, this is arrogance. China, this is arrogance. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0.
I gave
If
you
you
an
are
example,
0,
sir. I gave you an example.
hey,
I gave you an example, an anecdote.
Gauri, I
It is
should be
to
allowed
put in
to speak.
perspective. It's like you
Gauri,
saying
I
that
should
we
be allowed
own
to
BMC.
Arey sir, you are speaking.
BMC is the Thackeray's.
Sajjan Kumar is listening, and then he is understanding that even a local election is so important, and that's why we are debating BMC.
Thackeray are the Thackeray, and they are, if you see, Mumbai and Thackeray is the synonymous things, and I will speak. If Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray are not significant, they are 0 plus 0, then I will.
I gave you an example.
Correct, Sajjan Kumar. Okay, we are now getting into specific. Sajjan Kumar.
Who will do the
All right, sir. Let's give someone else. He's been patiently
politics
listening.
of performance.
Sajjan Kumar.
The message
Now
is
the
clear.
two brothers are
The
coming
message
together.
is clear. Do
Because
your
it's
work
the
for
electoral
public.
All right, Shaina,
Vote
you've
for
made
you.
your point. Let's give Sajjan Kumar a chance to respond. He hasn't spoken till now.
Sure.
Sajjan Kumar, if you look at the electoral math as far as the state of Mumbai, the city of Mumbai is concerned, or the BMC polls in particular, you have the large chunk of Marathi Manus. Add to it the Muslim vote and several others. And what the premise is that this could actually be a decent combination. I'm not using the word winning combination because that is something we'll know after the 15th of January. Sajjan Kumar, how does it look?
It's a winning combination.
Yes,
It's a winning
That we'll know
combination.
after the election, sir. But yeah, Sajjan Kumar.
to premise that coming together of the Thackeray brothers, it will unite the Marathi votes. Now that premise was in assembly election also, and to a great deal that premise was in the local body poll elections also, which just happened. And we did not see a significant section of Marathi votes voting for Shiv Sena UBT, right? Either in assembly election or in the local body election. Now, assuming that Raj Thackeray coming together will create some sort of a magic wand, arithmetically one can say that he got around 7.5% vote last time in 2017 BMC poll. So that sort of arithmetic is
showing was 2009 when he got 25% vote. Since then, it's just been downward slide. Yeah.
Exactly, that's there. So therefore, it's more like arithmetic because we have seen that in Mumbai, even in 2017, when United Shiv Sena and BJP contested separately, they got almost same number of seats, 82, 84 and 28.5 to 30% votes. So that way, there was not much different when Shiv Sena 2017 was united. This time, along with Raj Thackeray, who has lost steam in terms of his electoral appeal. He is very popular, charismatic in terms of having pull factor when it's not election time. But during electoral time, we have seen he belongs to the kind of personalities like Jignesh Mevani, Chandrasekhar Azad, Raj Thackeray, who are very popular in pulling the crowd when it's more political but not electoral. So that is why assuming that these Thackeray brothers coming together will pull together the chemistry of BMC is a bit difficult, but certainly.
And with Congress not being part of this alliance, will they take away a large chunk of the minority votes? Sajjan Kumar, very quickly, then I give their two politicians
also the
very
Dalit
quickly.
votes. Also the Dalit votes. So that way, not taking Congress altogether has assumed fractured of Dalit and Muslim votes, and then this entire premise of Marathi vote unity was visible in.
All right, I have to take a break, but in the spirit of fairness, Shaina NC, only 10 seconds.
10 seconds, promise. See, this is the age of politics of performance, and inconsistencies have no space. My messaging is clear. That of our party is clear. Do work for public. People will vote for you.
Okay,
not
Kishore
for your
Tiwari,
surname.
10 seconds, please, sir. Otherwise, I'll have to take a break.
Positionings and photo ops.
Kishore Tiwari, 10 seconds.
Yeah, China and Sajjan, be prepared. We are coming to power, and it is the 16th January decision has been taken. Mumbai belongs to Thackeray, and Thackeray belongs to Mumbai.
Okay, all right, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you so much, gentlemen and Shaina. I have to wrap this up right here. But this is a story that's just coming to fold right now, and we'll keep tracking till the BMC elections on the 15th of January. Will it be Marathi first or will it be Hindu first? That's what this entire election is coming down on.